You'll see on the signage that this road was supposed to be closed between the 1st of May and the 5th of May. That was to allow the water installation to take place for Dragoons Court. Unfortunately, Yorkshire Water are currently going through a transitional period where a framework contractor has been managed out and a new framework contractor has joined the business. And that has come with teething problems, many teething problems to be fair. And on this one, whilst the work were completed in good time and to a really high standard, the reinstatement, the backfill and reinstatement of it actually took longer than this period of time. So what they had to do is contact the council and extend the road closure. So where it says the 5th of May, it were actually completed on the 10th of May. For us, difficult to manage. And the reason for that is that behind the camera, there are several houses where you've got people who live in them who we're inconveniencing while we've got signage up, while we've got the road closure on, preventing access to and from their properties with vehicles. A very sensitive situation to manage. People in there with disabilities and elderly people, and it took a lot of liaison with the council and Yorkshire Water to be able to push this one over the line.